Oh wow. Good morning. I am leaving my campsite right now, but I will stop again for breakfast. It is a really nice campsite. They have the mini market, they have a pool. I also used the pool. Yeah, I enjoyed being here. I thought I could park here. I think I will just ignore the sign now. It's early enough. Let's have some breakfast. So I checked out of the campsite. So it is 8:48, so I have 200 kilometers to go to the entry point. The navigation says it will be 12:05. So I bought a new backpack, which you can see. There was a Decathlon close to the campsite in Lisbon, and I just used the opportunity. I will see how long I can use it because it's made for bicycles. But actually, I don't know if this is a big deal. It's nice, and it was 39 euros, so quite happy with that. And I have a bit more space. That is also something I wanted. My backpack was filled completely with the water. There was no space anymore. But here I can put some things in as well. So that's nice. So I'm back on the track. I left the track here last time. And now I can follow this yellow line again. Very nice. I think I will have my lunch here. Very nice. I kind of want to fly my drone there. So having my lunch. Let's go. The track goes down there. That is quite a step. Ooh. Oh wow. What an entry. Oh. Ooh. Wow, these are quite some steps here. Huh. Which one? It seems to be. No, it's not, huh? Wait a second. We find out. No, it's not. It's the one down there. I can go there. Oh, there's the street again. Oh, that looks amazing. Convento da Evora. Oh, oh, this is some more sand. Oh, no. I'm wrong. I have to turn around. Whatever that is. A small roundabout. That's cute. Very nice. So now I have to check which track it is. I think this is a private one. So yeah, it's this one. Yeah, going around here. Whoopa. Down here, huh? Yeah. This area is really sandy. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's going in here. And this over here. And down there. So, let's continue. Take this one. Yeah, that is better. More space. Still going down here, but better. I have to check that for a second. It is super sandy here. Should go up here. Yeah, they're pretty loose. Yeah, they're completely loose. Look at this. It's great. Well, let's try. That was fine. That was not that bad actually. Okay. Whoopa. So Oh wow. Okay, which one? Ah, this one. Good. Let's take this one then. Whoa. Oh, there are even more extreme downhills and extreme uphills. Nice. It's really steep. As far as I see, should go here. No. Yes, no. There is nothing else. I don't know. Didn't see any other track. But this one is going there. Is it right? I guess, yeah. Oh man. Oh, that's going down. This is nice. So the track has a circle up there. I don't know what that is. Let's find out. Hoppa. It's interesting. What is this place? It's some kind of station for whatever. I think this one, huh? Yeah. So I came from here, so I'm back down there. It's not this one, it is here. Huh? Yes. And then there. Wait. Ooh. Yep. Oh no, no, no. I'm not gonna fall on this sand. No, I think it's going here. Yes. That looks good. Yeah. Ooh. So I have to go here. Wait. Sure, I guess it's this one. I'll just go in first gear. There are some severe holes here. There's a cork tree again. Some water crossing at the end. Nice. Look at this. Otherwise I will just go in there to this fuel station. At least it says there's a fuel station. I don't know if that is true. Ah no, it's for electrical vehicles. I'm always making the same mistake. Damn it. It's very nice. Well, I'm super lucky because I found accommodation in this village 290 meters away for 36 euros, yes, but including breakfast, so 6 euro for breakfast is alright. I just have to go there. So cat, you don't move, that's okay, I'll go around you. I have to go here. What a nice village, huh? Just tiny little streets. This might be difficult. No, that's okay. And I will ask the owner if it's okay to leave the bike here. So first I should park at the street, and I did, and then someone else came and told me, no, don't park on the street, park inside. But getting in here, I had to fit through there, like both doors, but it's super tiny. And I had to take off the luggage. It was impossible with luggage. So I am in my hotel room. I'm very, very happy that I found this place because it is the first time in 6 days that I have a bed, and I really appreciate that. I did not cover that much of track today. I was so slow. So I did like 50% of the second ACT day. Tomorrow I will do the other 50% and I will see how far I can go. So now I will see if I find some dinner and some drinks because I'm really thirsty. that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you in the next video.